na-discover na isang eat-all-you-can restaurant dito sa Alberta B1 Mall. Ang Hot Pot!
Yes, 59 dirhams lang you guys. And let's see if it's approved or not approved by Chef Kat. So let's go!
So we're here at 7 Hot Spot and we're gonna try their shabu shabu. So we ordered 2 soups today. This one is super spicy actually. So we ordered beef, this is tofu, and then crab, and then fresh noodles and some shrimp. So let's see if it's approved or not approved. We ordered the unique spicy hot pot and the nice not spicy hot pot. So let's try kung anong mas masarap.
Oo.
Kung ito ba or ito.
Anong level ng spiciness ng ano?
I think medium siya eh.
Medium.
Oo. Yung mukha ko parang nababanat sa kaanghangan. So guys, diba? By the way, this is only for 59 dirhams. So if you're gonna convert that to peso, magkano yun? Mga 800 to 900.
Yeah.
Pero sulit naman because there's a lot of choice. Ano yung, dapat pala mag-order ka na.
Oo nga.
51 choices yung pwede.
So mag-order tayo sa kanila.
Mag-order
So, let's
tayo.
talk later.
Yeah, let's see kung anong masarap.
Okay. Okay. But,
Ang sarap, you guys. Ang
but we can also call to order or we can just order it. Okay. Only from here. Okay. So, they have a QR code po here, ang arte.
matawa.
May QR code po sila dito. Oo. At dito lang daw pwede mag-order.
Yeah.
Tinanong ko kung pwedeng
Hinelp ako ni Kuya kanina eh, kasi nagugutom na ako. So, siya na nag-order para sa akin.
lagyan natin ng mga gulay-gulay.
Oh, Remly, ito yung favorite.
Monosodium glutamate.
Yeah. Minsan lang naman. Guys, ayan, may spring roll tayo. Oh my gosh. This is our treat once a month. Once a month. Pero feeling ko sulit yung 59.
Nilagyan na natin ito lahat.
Napaka-fresh ng ingredients, by the way.
Yes.
Ang sarap. Ang sarap lahat. Ba't ganun?
Siyempre.
Is all I can say. Ang linamnam lahat. Ang sarap nito. Parang may nilagay sila, pero ang sarap. Yan. We'll have a close-up look later, pero kain muna ako kasi ang sarap eh. Remy, kung papipiliin kayong spicy or not so spicy, try mo nga. Nagsa-struggle. Struggle is real. Mainit.